What's going on, boaters? We just got in a fresh new trade, a 2024 Premier 250 Solaris Sport. This boat only has 86 hours on it. It's ready for its next home. Let's check out a few features. Starting off in the front, you're gonna have your two bow couches, super comfortable, super easy to get at for storage on the inside. You're even gonna have your flip down armrest. Coming to the middle, you're gonna have your full windshield with a bow block off screen, so when you're coming across the lake at night, you can stay nice and warm. You have your wireless phone charger, RGB lighting. It is powered by a Mercury 350, so lots of power on this boat, lots of get up and go. You're gonna have your bolster cushions on both co-captain and captain's chairs. Coming to the back, you have your removable table, so you can keep out for snacks and drinks or put it away. This boat also is equipped with your hidden changing room. You're going to want to come check out this pontoon at MarineMax Nisswa or visit it on our website at marinemax.com. Let's get you on the water this summer.